Why? Why? You've got to be kidding me. I am so sick and tired of this shit, dude. Fuck's sakes. This once again proves that we can never have any nice things in the Xfinity series. It's the Ty Gibbs / Junior Motorsports series. That's what they should rename it to. Because that's all that wins races. There's no one else. It's just those people. So if you haven't heard, Nemechek has been DNQ'd and hasn't even had the chance to qualify for the fucking race because of the stupid ass rain. What the frick? That is so stupid, dude. He's an Xfinity champion. He should be in the race. Oh my god, that just pisses me off. If Mike Wallace was able to run the Indy Road Course 2 years ago, why couldn't Joe Nemechek run this fucking race? You've gotta be kidding me, dude. Fuck the Xfinity series, dude. That just fucking pisses me off. And fuck you, Mother Nature. Fuck everything right now, dude. Joe Nemechek should be in that fucking race. If his son is able to be in the race, then so should Joe Nemechek. So fucking bullshit. Unbelievable. Just fucking unbelievable. Who else DNQ'd? Josh Williams on his return to DGM Racing gets also fucked because of the rain. And Tim Vaines, don't care. I hate that scumbag. He's a con artist. So take that L, I guess. I'm only pissed off about Joe Nemechek and fucking Josh Williams, but Tim Vaines, because he owns that stupid truck team, and literally said to a NASCAR fan on Twitter to fuck off or go fuck himself, then I don't even know at this point, dude. That just pisses me off. And not only that, Joe Nemechek is a Cup winner. He's like the only guy who was qualifying in the motherfucking field who had experience. Why couldn't he have been in the race? He's had experience for 20 years. And you're telling me he can't be in the race? Gotta be fucking kidding me, dude. I don't care. I really don't care what you people think. And say, you can defend this stupid bullshit all you want, but I ain't dealing with it. I ain't going along with it. This is so dumb. This is freaking pathetic, dude. Unbelievable. And to think that this video started off calm and it got escalated ever since the video started. Gotta be fucking kidding me, dude. Fuck Mother Nature, fuck the rain. Why can't they just piss off and go away from Daytona? Why can't they rain somewhere else in Florida but not at fucking Daytona? That would be awesome. God damn it. 2 drivers who I actually liked, who are returned to a team or the Xfinity Series, were fucked today. Just, this is so stupid, man. Xfinity Series suck. It really does. Is it bad as ARCA and the Truck Series? I don't know. It just feels like Cup's the only decent series out there where actually good things can happen. Fuck everything, dude. Just fuck it all. Anyways, I've had enough of me ranting. I've been ranting for 5 minutes. I just needed to get this out there to anyone who hasn't known about this shit. Anyways, peace out.